Hello everyone. Today I'm working on a 350Z. Going to be installing some hood scoops. 350C with louvers, yeah. So today we will shout out first to Red Barn Racing here, and we got this circuit car. So we've got the front spoiler there to create a downdraft, and we got the louvers we're installing on this car to allow the heat from the engine to come out. So the way we started out doing that is made a mark, popped the hood, and made a mark on the back side of the radiator on both sides. So mark right there, close the hood, and put some tape down, come across the two marks, and measured up 6 inches. Drew a line up there. So we've got the louvers lined up, the holes will be riveted in. Now we're working on a template. So the louvers, we've got the race louvers come with a template, and now we're using the template to set the location of the louvers. And we're going to cut a hole in the hood.
Okay.
Alright, so we got a mark across there, across the hood, 6 inches off the back of the radiator. Use the template to draw lines on the hood.
1/16 of an inch clearance.
The template is the OD of the louver. So now we're going to come in inch, a little over an inch, inch into 16th from the inside. So now's the moment of truth. How's it fit?
Well, didn't hit the bar. Oh, we're not down.
Yeah, we're not down. It might.
Let's take it out and see. Hang on. Try to shake that out. Yeah, go vacuum all that out.
Yeah. Alright. Well, the engine bay was clean. Oh yeah, that's it. That far. Or actually,
Right in between?
we're gonna have to trim just like this corner right here.
Oh, yeah. Or just bend it up a little bit.
Alright, so there's a crossbar across the engine.
I mean, I'd rather
We're going to have to modify
No.
the louver a little bit, trim a little bit off of it.
We're not getting good.
Alright, so we got the louver in there, in the hood. Now we're going to take the rivets. And actually, it came with some rivets. They look a little weak. We got some better rivets. We're going to rivet it down. The louver had pre-drilled holes in it, so we'll rivet down each location.
Black ones.
Yep. All right. Go ahead.
So for the rivets, we'll go ahead and use these because they fit better and look good. But because it's a fiberglass hood, when it crushes, we feel like it's not going to have enough surface area to maybe keep the hood from cracking and all that. So we're going to push these through, put these little washers on here, and then the washer will be up against the hood and give a little more surface area.
All right, sounds good.
This weekend.
Oh, how come?
So this is the crossbar that I was talking about. It's part of the engine. We had to fit the louver around crossbar. All right, so now we've got one end. We've got the rivets in, and right here is where it's hitting the cross member was touching. So just had to really, what we did is just kind of bend this louver back a little bit so it doesn't touch that cross member. We'll have to evaluate it and see how it goes during racing, see if it's vibrating, touching. But overall, it looks good. It's good installation, easy installation, fairly easy. And we got this one cut out. This one, the cross member is not the same on this side. We're running into bolts, and on that side is the bar. But so we shouldn't have to bend the louver on this side. Okay, hope this helps out.
Grab a handful of them. I'll take them.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
There it is.
Get the louver in place. Do it with the hood up.
This one?
Yep.
Yeah, pop rivet in. That's what it looks like on the backside. Here's a view of the mighty engine. So that's for the finished product.
We can take our back door off over here. Get a little more lighting.
2 louvers.